Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. The stock markets are touching a new high almost on a daily basis. So thought we'll speak to you for a couple of minutes to highlight why the markets are doing what they're doing. And more importantly, how do we as investors profit from this? So Sensex has moved beyond 40 to 54,000 recently. So what is driving up the markets the way they are going up? Well, some of the positives include adequate global liquidity, record low interest rates around the world, growth in corporate profits, and new investors piling into the market like never before. Well, these are the positives. There are also some negatives which need to be factored in, which include rich valuations. Market valuations are currently at very high levels. Rise in commodity prices, which will lead to inflation down the line in oil, metal, various commodities as such. COVID is not yet gone. The Delta variant, the third wave, all of it is here and there playing up all around the world. So we cannot discount that as gone as such. So those are some of the negatives. Well, to understand what next for the market, just to highlight as to how the market psychology works. You have various situations in the market from optimism to panic to pessimism. So where are we currently? My guess is that we are getting close to the thrill-seeking stage. Why do we say that? Well, there are a rush of IPOs coming in, 4 IPOs this week, 4 big IPOs coming up next week, all at stretched valuations. Even then, heavy subscriptions are being seen. Mutual funds are launching new funds with an alarming frequency. Almost every week you have 2 or 3 funds coming up with new offers, giving you gyan as to why this new fund is good or a new theme is good. New investors coming into the market thinking that 25-30% return is the base minimum, the normal as such. History has shown that that does not continue. So we're also wanting to highlight this FOMO, fear of missing out, which is getting more and more people into the markets because they feel that if they don't invest, they will miss out. Generally, this is seen towards the, you can say, time when the bull market is in its last stages. So these are some of the reasons why we feel that markets are getting closer to a high. So how do we profit from this kind of a situation? What do we do as investors? Short-term investors, people who need money within the next 2 years, could be anytime in the next 2 years. Recommendation to them is don't be greedy. Gradually exit from these markets may not sustain in the short term. Investors looking to put in fresh money, no big ticket investments at these levels, would recommend staggered investments via SIP, STP over a period of time. Long-term investors, do you need to really do anything? Actually, just look at your asset allocation. In most cases, you will realize that you're underinvested in equity. So don't really feel the necessity to do anything much. Just hold on. Traders, very, very difficult, the most difficult segment to advise. Right now, there is a party going on in the stock market. So enjoy the party, but be very watchful as the music may stop soon. Speaking about Jeff Bezos and Warren Buffett, any investment discussion I don't think is complete without Warren Buffett. So Jeff Bezos asked Warren Buffett, your investing strategy is so simple. Why doesn't everyone just copy you and make a lot of money? His strategy is to buy and hold. Well, Warren Buffett's reply, because nobody wants to get rich slow. You may have come to know that most people nowadays are thinking 1 week, 1 fortnight, 1 month in terms of investment strategies, not really 5 years, 10 years, 20, 30 years. So simple is boring, but it is profitable, as you will see in the next slide. I've taken the US data here because Indian data we have only for the last 40 years. So if you see the US S&P index, at whatever time you've bought, you've made money if you just hold on for the long term. So that's the recommendation. Buy and hold. Think of quality and continue to remain invested. Thank you. Please do share our video and like our YouTube channel for more such interesting videos in the future. Thank you.